In this video, I'm going to show you how to view layers in Canva and also how to change the position of your elements. So let's get started. First, open your design and then click on your background. Then choose position here. And as you can see, you got two options here. You can arrange or you can change layers. If you click arrange, you can click on your element and then you can put it all the way to back. But for me, it's better to play with layers, because if you click layers, you can change it like this. So you can always choose the position where it should be. So for example, I would like to have this Canva logo behind my face. So I will just do this. Click on your element and put it down, and it's behind this element. If you want to do this the same with the arrow, just put this arrow behind the text, like all the way down, and that's it. This is how can you change the positions and also change the layers. It's very simple, straightforward, and this is how can you do it. Guys, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to support this channel, subscribe the channel, and see you later. Goodbye.